Let's automate everything using Claude AI. With just one click, your raw Excel data becomes clean and perfectly formatted. Another click, all your pivot tables are ready, and one final click, your full dashboard is built. Sounds crazy, right? You can save 7 hours of work in just 2 minutes. Let's jump in. So here's the data we're starting with. As you can see, it's not structured properly. Messy, unstructured, no proper format. Normally, fixing this would take a lot of time, but today, we're doing it in seconds. Now comes the real magic. Open your browser and search for Claude AI. Log in using your Google account. Once you're inside, copy the first prompt given in the description and paste it into Claude. Within a few seconds, it will generate the complete VBA code for you. Just download or copy that code. This is where the real magic starts. Now go to the Developer tab and click on Visual Basic. Click Insert, then select Module. Rename the module to Clean Data Format. Paste your VBA code and close the editor. Next, we've created a button using shapes. Now let's assign a macro to it so we can automate the entire process. Right-click on your button and click Assign Macro. Select Clean and Format Data and click OK. Now watch this carefully. When I click this button, message appears, Data cleaned and formatted successfully. With just one click, 7 important actions happen automatically. If you had to do all this manually, how much time would it take? This is next-level Excel magic. Now let's move to pivot tables. Normally, creating multiple pivot tables takes a lot of manual effort. But here, we'll automate it the same way. Now copy the second prompt and paste it into Claude AI. Claude AI will generate the pivot table VBA code. Download the code and copy it. Now go back to Excel. Go to the Developer tab and click on Visual Basic. Click Insert, then select Module. Rename the module to Pivot. Paste your VBA code and close the editor. Right-click the button, select Assign Macro. Choose Create Pivot Sheet and click OK. Now click the Pivot button. In just a few seconds, all pivot tables will be created automatically. You'll see pivot tables generated one by one. If you do this manually, it will take a lot of time. But by using this method, everything is done in just a few seconds. Try it yourself and experience the magic in just one click. Now comes the final step, dashboard creation. Copy the third prompt and paste it into Claude AI. Then press Enter. It will generate the VBA code to create charts and dashboard visuals. Download the code and copy it. Now go back to Excel, go to the Developer tab and click on Visual Basic. Click Insert, then select Module. Rename the module to Dashboard. Paste your VBA code and close the editor. Now, right-click your button and select Assign Macro. Choose Build Dashboard and click OK. Now click the button. Now look at the final output. Wow, amazing! Just imagine how much manual work this would normally take. This is truly like magic. That's it. In this video, you learned how to create an Excel dashboard using Claude AI. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials.